since I've never done lashes on you before, I'd like to learn a little bit about what you love and what you don't love about lashes. I know you sent me some inspiration photos. They were quite textured. Seems like that's your vibe.
I like the wispy. Yeah, I like them to be fun. I like long lashes. I've had cat eye before. It doesn't work for me. I like doll eyes better, but I do like dramatic.
Perfect. Okay, lots of drama, no cat eye.
No.
I agree. Actually, that makes sense because your eyes are very rounded, and if we're not careful on the very outer corners where the eye descends naturally, then what ends up happening is that the eye actually ends up getting drooped down and weighed down on the outer corner. So a cat eye, a traditional cat eye mapping where the longest lengths sit on the very outer corner, that would actually just make your eyes look like they sat lower than they naturally do. It's not going to lift it up. But if you were like keen on trying something like a cat eye, we could work with the arch of the brow, because if you, here, I'm gonna give you a mirror here. Okay, so let's assess your eye together. So I'll get you to hold this.
Okay.
So doll eye, I think, will look good, but we could also do something where we did kind of a mix on a kitten and doll eye shaping, where we flowed with the arch of your eyebrow. Okay. The arch here is quite high. So I think using your longest lengths from about here to here might look really nice, because it's going to kind of sit with how your eyebrow naturally lifts, versus if we do it in the middle, now your attention's going to be brought here and you're going to have less space here, which you already don't have a lot of space there. You're going to have less space here, and it's still going to look quite dramatic with space here, versus we have all this room to fill in. But I would never want to go super long on those outer corners in fear of it literally looking like they go like this.
That's what yeah, I've had that done one time and it was not my favorite.
I can totally understand why. Your eyes are absolutely stunning, but for sure, from a lash artist point of view, if we're not careful with direction, like if we were to accidentally direct towards your ear, we're now drooping that outer corner down, but it naturally already sits that way. So we'd have to be careful with direction and lift everything up towards your eyebrow instead of directing anything out towards your ear. Okay. So I think I can give you lots of lift, complement your eyebrow shaping, still give you lots of drama without like hitting your eyebrows right here and then leaving lots of space over here. Are you down with trying it?
That sounds perfect.
And lots of texture. We're gonna go long lengths. I think I'm gonna probably break your set into sections while I'm getting to know your eyes. Okay. And I'm gonna do my longest length section on just the top layer first. And I wanna then stop the service, look at it and see what we're thinking about length and shape. Okay. And then if we like the shape, if we like the length, then we can commit and go further. If not, we can tweak it.
Okay, that sounds perfect. I'm excited.
Perfect, let's do it.
I trust you.
Amazing.